To my left, Mr. Hassan Ahmed, and he's the Director of Finance and Operations at eToro USA, which is the world's largest social trading platform. Welcome, Hassan.
Thanks, Pete.
So we were talking backstage, below 10,000. Possible?
It might happen while we're talking, so we never know.
So maybe back people up for why are you not super confident in the price of Bitcoin above 10,000?
Sure. So let's take a step back and just look at what the trend and channel that we're in right now, right? So if we look at where we were at the beginning of the year, and I think even by mid-February, we hit that sort of low around that 34,600, 3460 support. And at that time too, I think people forget that we were expecting another 50% fall off, or there were calls for like 1,700
So
at that time.
you were thinking below 2 as a possibility at the time.
I think there were voices in the market that were saying that, you know what, this
I'm sure a
may
lot
not
of people
even,
wanted to buy at that
right,
price, yeah.
this may not even be the bottom. So I think we forget that there was so much doom and gloom just 4 to 6 months ago. We were able to consolidate, and then at the end of March, beginning of April, thanks to the consensus bump, so thanks for that, Pete, we were able to.
I love that that's a thing now. I didn't, you know.
Except for last year, it's worked so far.
I guess when you make a big billboard,
things happen.
yeah.
So we were able to get out of that sort of consolidation channel and hit 6,000, and then in the last 3 months alone, we've almost sort of 3x from where we were on all-time lows. That's a pretty
well, not all-time lows, but
sorry, this cycle.
In this cycle,
yeah, all-time lows for 2019.
Yeah.
And so just going off of that, this has been a very almost parabolic increase that we've seen all the way up to 13,800 and something, right? So I think that correction was inevitable. It was due, and where we're going to end up, I think it's sort of we'll still see where we end up, but I think it's a healthy correction. I think it's good that it happened. I think it makes this rally and the trend more durable.